What is going on, everyone? My name is Erin and welcome to this tutorial on how to connect to a remote computer or remote machine via SSH. Now this one is going to be on Windows, and for this one we're going to be using two different tools. The first one is going to be Putty and the second one is WinSCP. Now if you guys don't know what Putty is or where to find it, just open up Google and type Putty, and probably the first thing that's gonna pop up is gonna say download Putty. And from this one you just download the bitwise SSH client. Go to the download page and download the latest version, this one over here, whatever you guys prefer. Now I already have it, so I don't need to download this one more time, but just download it and just make sure you have it somewhere on desktop or something. At the moment I don't have it on desktop because I'm gonna show you guys something later, something cooler. I have the shortcut, so let's open it up. Here you need to enter the host name, which is gonna be for our server is gonna be DIJKSTRA.ug.bcc.billkent.edu.tr. And now you open this one up. Let me bring this one over here. Now here you're gonna enter your username. Let me enter mine. And here it will say using keyboard interactive authentication. So you need to type down your password. Now if you guys don't see any star showing up, don't worry, just type your password and it will still work. Press enter. And there you go, now you're in the server. From here you can do different stuff, like let's clear this one out first, and you can type ls, which will show you your directories, or you can type cd if you want to change your directory. Go to a bin, let's say. Now you're at bin, but this one's gonna be for another tutorial. In another tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use a G++ and all the things you need to know about G++. So that's gonna be for another tutorial. So let's close this one down and let's open up the other one. The other one is called WinSCP, and this one is gonna be downloaded the same way. Just type WinSCP and it's even easier. You don't need to do anything, just go to the first one, the first download, go to the download page and download the installation package. Now I already have it, so I don't need to download anything. So once you download it, you install it, click next and finish, and it will open up this one. First you need to choose your server you're gonna be connecting. If you don't have a server, the first thing you're gonna do is go to this new site, enter the name DIJKSTRA.ug.bcc.billkent.edu.tr. Put your username over here, whatever you have, put your password over here, and make sure you have this SFTP highlighted, and you can just press save and save this one whatever you want. I suggest you save the password because even though it says it's not recommended, no one's gonna do anything for this server, but for other servers don't do it. Now I already have this one, so let me go ahead and log in. And now you should be able to see this one. Once you're logged in, you will have all the folders over here in a very nice way. You'll have the rights. You can go to some folder, create a new file. Let's call this one erin.cpp, and you can type all the crap you want over here. I'm gonna save this one because I need it for later. And there you go. Well, there you have your file over here. You can do any other thing. Go to some other directories, add some other files. But what's really interesting for this one is that you can press open terminal and just click OK, and you will have your terminal in that server. Now that's the directory you're currently in, and if I press ls, it will give me all the files I'm currently at. So if I type something like G++, actually that gives me an error because I don't have any input files or anything. But don't worry, you guys, I will show you how to use G++ in another tutorial. But that was it for this tutorial. That's everything you need to know about these two tools. They're pretty useful. I suggest you use this one. Now, one more thing I wanted to clarify is that I told you needed to put Putty somewhere. That's because you can also open the session in Putty. And here you go. You can also enter the password. So one more thing I want you guys to know is that you can also change the password you have at the moment. Let's say you have some password you cannot remember. So all you need to do is type PASSWD. That stands for password. And let me enter the old password. And now I can enter a new password. Now you have your new password. The password has been changed, and you can log in with your new password. But don't forget to change everything from the settings. You need to go to the users, and you need to change everything to the settings. Let me see over here. You need to change the password to the new password you have created, because otherwise you won't be able to connect to this one. So yeah, now you have your new password created. You can connect with your new password. I suggest you guys use this one because Putty is a little bit difficult. Putty needs to be, for this one, for WinSCP to work, you guys need to put Putty in this directory over here, which is Windows C directory, program files 86, and in a folder called Putty. You need to create this folder called Putty over here and put this putty.exe that you have downloaded from internet, and that will make this guy work. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in another tutorial. Subscribe if you like this video. I'll show you some other cool stuff you can do with this, with G++ too. So thanks again for watching. Leave a like in this video, and peace.